If you've used Looker before, you know how great it is for exploring governed data and building dashboards. But sometimes it can feel a bit rigid when it comes to storytelling or custom presentations. That's where Studio comes in. And today I'm going to show you how Studio brings the visual freedom of Looker Studio into Looker platform itself. So we'll walk you through how you can now design pixel perfect reports, add your own data via CSVs, use modern charts and create truly dynamic, engaging dashboards without needing to write a single line of LookML. Now let's start with Looker. So I'm looking at a typical web traffic dashboard, and as you can see, we've got all the essential metrics: unique users, page views, sessions, and bounce rates. All the things we'd expect to analyze performance. But one thing about Looker is that it's very structured. Everything is tiled, locked in place. It's powerful, but not the most flexible or design-friendly setup, especially if you're someone who wants to tailor a presentation of insights for better audiences. Now let's jump into Looker Studio. Now here's Looker Studio using the same dataset. Instantly you can see the difference. Here I've got complete freedom to design. I can drag, drop, resize, and align everything down to the pixel. It's a much more visual presentation and presentation ready environment. I can easily add elements like custom text boxes, logos, and even dynamic images to enhance storytelling. For example, here I have a attended meetup storyboard. Here we can see the people meetups, outbound marketing email, inbound email query, channel select channels, and client paids. So we can see this flow. And here are interactive dynamic scoreboards that allow you to visualize the metrics. Previously, you're not able to do that in Looker, but however, with the Studio in Looker, you're now able to do that. Now, if we go back to Studio in Looker, one of the great features it has is that you're able to add CSVs. So imagine you're in marketing and you've got a list of ad performance data from a partner or vendor that's not in the warehouse. You can just drag and drop that CSV into Studio and instantly integrate it with our existing dashboards. No engineering whatsoever. So if I click on Edit and I click on Add Data, here we have a number of connectors that are available to use. And you can see it's Microsoft Excel. We can upload a CSV file as its own, or even Google Sheets. Now here's a preloaded data source that we've had. So if I click on Add a Chart, and let's say I want to add a pie chart, I simply just put it in pie chart here, change the data source to our event data, and let's say I want to work with, I want to see where the time zone is for everyone. So if I just drag this time zone by inventory, here we can see that 78.6% of all our inventories are from the UK. That's great. And the thing is about Studio and Looker is that we can easily customize our charts. So if I want to show a title, just put a toggle on, say invite time zone. I can change the font sizing that quickly. Done. I want it bold. And let's say I don't like the background being clear, so let's put it in clear. So if I just scroll down to brown color, click on white, and all done. And that's just how powerful Studio inside Looker really is. So while Looker remains a powerful tool for governed data exploration and modeling, Looker Studio within Looker is bridging the gap for business users, giving them flexibility, storytelling tools, and quick access to their own data. And these features, modern charts, dynamic text, freeform design, CSV uploads, and sparklines are what makes Studio a game changer for visual analytics inside the Looker ecosystem.